how to use two WhatsApp accounts on one Android phone. First, install and open WhatsApp application on your mobile phone and make sure it's updated to the latest version. After you do this, open WhatsApp and click the three-dotted icon in the top right. Now, click Settings and you will see this page. Here, click Account. Now, you will see these options where you'll have to click on Add Account. Now, you will see your first account and you'll have to click on this plus icon that says Add Account. After I click this button, it will show me this page. Here, I'll have to click Agree and Continue and enter the phone number of the second account that I have to add. Now, after adding the number, click Next. It will ask you, is this the correct number? Click Yes again. Now, an SMS will be sent to this number with an OTP. Simply enter the OTP and it will verify you. After you get verified, you'll be taken to the next page where you can type your name here and click Next. Now, you can add your email on this page or just click Escape and you can easily start chatting with your new account on your phone. You can simply switch between those accounts by clicking the three-dotted icon, click Switch Accounts and you'll be instantly taken back to your previous account. So, both accounts work independently on the same app. That's how you do it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and thanks for watching.